If I had to do a content versus links, obviously you will say content is more important, but why content is more important?
Okay, I will use a quote of Kyle Roof. Hello, Kyle. You're a great guy. Kyle Roof said once that the only page you cannot rank is the one that does not exist. And you just have to have some content and then you push it with links. So if you are creating the content anyway, why waste money on acquiring 100 links, while if you have optimized content, 50 links would be enough to rank it. It's just a waste of money. So if you are doing SEO, it has a compound effect. If you build links to a page that is not optimized, you are basically losing money on links because they are not as effective as they could be.
Yeah.
Plus, if you are building links on a guest post like niche edits and something like that, it is really a good idea to provide content that is optimized. So the page that you are creating, that is not only sharing your voice and promoting your product, it is also ranking for some keywords. And without the optimization, it will be just harder. So you spend $500 on creating really good article on a DR, AT, domain, whatever. If you do not optimize it, you are basically slipping on money.
Exactly.